Blessings. I am here again with my friend Ganesh Ganapate and continuing our studies this semester and taking our Svadhyaya, our Ganapate, and looking at what are our obstacles that get in the way of us being our best self. And this week I'm going to help break that down a little bit as we enter this new year. I know it's a time for all of us, January, for pause and reflection and intention setting. And so we're looking at the koshas, and the koshas are described as the sheaths of who you are. So at the very center is my soul, my Atman. And then there's these layers of me. My first layer is my physical body. My second layer is my energy self. And my third is my thinking, my mind self, my knowing self. But my Vijnanamaya kosha, which sits just closest to the soul, is my inner knowing, my wisdom. And so in yoga, our task is to clear and clean these sheaths and to clear and clean the layers of who you are. We believe then the soul is able to reflect its light and shine. And so we can look specifically then, as again, we're starting a new year, our Svadhyaya, studying ourselves, where in my body could I shine a little brighter? Where in my energy? Where in my studies, my thinking? Where in my intuition, my internal knowing? And if we can identify some things to clear and clean up, for example, if I'm cleaning up something in my energy, it's always going to affect, of course, my body, which will always affect my wisdom, my inner knowing. So join me this week as we take a very specific study of the koshas and take a svadhyaya, a deep look at ourselves, and identify some of the obstacles, some of the things we need to clean, and set some intentions for the year ahead of us.